Hey guys, it's Karen Marrow. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the 7 best affiliate marketing programs for beginners in 2020. And if you stick around until the end, the last 2 I'm going to share with you are high-ticket affiliate programs where you can earn anywhere from $1,500 all the way up to over $16,000. So make sure you stick around till the end so you can hear about those. But let's go ahead and get started. The first one is Traffic Domination Network. Now let's look at the offers here. They're continuing to add more offers to this affiliate program network, and you can see you'll have an affiliate manager as well as their email, so they can answer any questions that you have, and I'll tell you they get back with you pretty quickly and really help you to know which offers are the best converting as well. But you can see anywhere from 80 cents. These are most likely pay per lead. And then these are sales up here. You can see the highest is going to be $550. So this is a really great network here. I've made sale on this one here, Marketing with George Wickens, that pays $30. But there's, like I said, they're just adding more and more offers in here. It's a fairly new affiliate network, so there's offers in here that maybe not a lot of people will know about. So I wanted to let you know about that one. That's the first one. The second one is ShareASale. This network is a lot of well-known products in the home and garden category, as well as you can sell fashion and merchandise and green products as well. They do have a lot of tools to promote. You can have like videos, banners, link text, things like that. So it is a really good affiliate network. It doesn't pay out as well as some of the other ones. It's anywhere from 5 to 15%. So it's kind of along the lines of Amazon affiliate program, but these are well known, so it would be a little bit easier to sell these popular products that people already know. That's the second one. The third one is WarriorPlus. And I will tell you, this is a digital marketing platform here. And they'll tell you like the top products that have been sold like in the last 7 days. But this one here, in order to get paid out, you do have to have 5 sales that are from 5 different customers. And I found that out because I was making a lot of sales, and then I realized I couldn't cash it out because it has to come from 5 different people, 5 different, so you can't have somebody come in and purchase, like the same customer purchase different products from you. And I'm not sure why that is, but that is their criteria in order to get paid. But they do have a lot of good digital products in here that I've done reviews on, and that's a good way to promote these digital products, because you can, they launch products all the time. So let's say this was maybe a newly launched product, you could go ahead and do a review video on it on YouTube. And I've done a lot of WarriorPlus reviews on my channel. And these are very low price, so I would recommend that you would purchase it and actually go through the product and do a review on it. Someone who does reviews a lot on WarriorPlus products is Jonah Armstrong. If you look at his channel here, you can see a lot of his reviews are on WarriorPlus products, but he also launches his products on the platform as well, and then he'll offer bonuses with it, and that's how he makes a lot of sales with this affiliate network. So that's another great one if you're a beginner. Number 4 is Digistore24, and that one actually just launched in the United States last year in 2019. It's in Germany. It's based out of Germany, so some of the support emails you get may have some different languages, but if you want to take a look, this is similar to Clickbank, but I think they have a lot of different offers that are different. Now I'll tell you, I was making sales here, but it wasn't registering my clicks, and so I wrote to them and they said that this is kind of known, their dashboard, for not showing the clicks. Not that you won't get the commissions, you just want to go under analytics right here, and then you'll see all your sales and your clicks, because I was thinking that I didn't have the right link. But make sure you just go under analytics if it's not showing up here. Now, a friend of mine who's making sales, he said that his clicks show up here, so I don't really know why, but they're anyway. If you go to the marketplace here, you'll see they're adding a lot of products as we speak. There's all different kinds of categories similar to Clickbank, but I really like how they do it in this affiliate network here. But you can see all the different categories they have, and then they do actually have physical products as well, like supplements that you could promote. I think there are weight loss products, industry's first metabolism fueling system, and that pays you like $32. And that would be something where if somebody purchases it and they like it, it would be more like a recurring commission. Fat burning weight loss supplement, keto boost supplements. And this one is free to sign up, obviously, just like Clickbank. So I wanted to mention also that I did do a video on right here, 92% affiliate commissions, because Wesley Virgin has a really high converting, well, it was on Clickbank, now it's on Digistore 24. It's called Overnight Millionaire. So I'll post this video below this video, but you can see how you can earn up to 92% commissions with this product. And he also offers like done for you funnels or campaigns on Facebook that you can obviously have to pay for it, but it's converting very, very well. And then he can show you how to create your own Facebook ad as well. And that's not quite as much as if they do it for you. But I did want to mention that to you because that is selling very, very well, Overnight Millionaire, and I make sales from it, and he can show you exactly how to promote it. So that's number 4. Number 5 is MarketHealth, and this one here, you can promote health and fitness products, health and beauty products, and you just click on affiliates. And this one you can get signed up for free. You get paid twice a month, $20 minimum, and they have several different payment options. You can actually get paid by a check, bank wire, Skrill, or a prepaid card via Payoneer. So you can just go here, and they have frequently asked questions, and take a look at that. Their offers, again, are in the health and beauty categories, and they have several of them. I know someone who's making a lot of money from MarketHealth as an affiliate here with the CPA offers. And there's some, maybe offers that you can find in here that really no one knows about. So this is a really great affiliate network. Number 6 is Profits Passport. I did a review on that. I'll leave it in the description below as well, this one here. And that one, I think is perfect for people who are beginners in affiliate marketing, because you don't have to send out any emails. David Deacle is the creator of the system. He created also FunnelX ROI. I made a lot of money with that. This one here, I think it's going to convert even better. But I'll leave a link to this below, but you just put in your name and email, and then you'll get directed to this webinar that you can watch. It's an hour long, but I would recommend, if you're interested in earning from 5 different income streams, you go ahead and take a look at the webinar. But the first income stream is Easy One Up, and so basically all you do, any of the income streams that you want to earn on, you create an account, and then you put your affiliate link in here and just click save, and that's it. It's super easy to sign up. Easy One Up's the first one. Income stream number 2 is the ROI panel, and that's a tracker. It's a one-time fee. You can earn, the second income stream is FunnelX Advance, and this is a paper lead system. You can earn up to $998.50, but you also can earn $1 for each lead that you generate. And there's certain criteria for that, but so that's completely free to sign up for. But if you want to earn on the higher commissions, you do have to own the products. Third income stream is the ROI panel. That's the tracker. You can earn up to $748.50 on that. I've made a lot of money through that tracker. and it's something that you just pay for one time, and you want to use a tracker anyway if you're purchasing traffic. And so all these income streams, again, you just put your affiliate link in there and click save. Fourth one is Udemy, where you purchase solo ads, and you can earn money when you refer people to this system and they purchase traffic. And the last one is OPM Wealth, and that would be where you would earn up to $16,500 per commission. And they do have financing, so you can do it for $0 out of pocket, and you just click on there to sign up for that one. Then he has, this is David Deacle, has his traffic checklist, exactly what you would look for when you're purchasing from a solo ad provider. And then he's got the email copy, and basically all you do after you plug in your income streams is share this link right here with the solo ad provider. And David does offer some really great bonuses when you sign up just for the free system here. But again, if you want to earn on the different income streams, you do need to own them, except for the Funnel X Advanced. You can earn on just referring people who are qualified leads. You earn $1 a lead. It's not that much, but if you want to earn the higher commissions, you do have to purchase the products. So that's number 6. Number 7 is High Ticket Accelerator. That's by my mentor, Joshua Elder. And I just feel like if you're going to become an affiliate marketer, just learn some skills, learn the basics. Don't jump around from program to program. And I've earned the most money with the training that is in this program than I have from anything else in the last 10 years. For example, this tube traffic selling system, I've earned tens of thousands of dollars through YouTube using this exact training here on how to set up a YouTube channel and how to do reviews and just everything that you need to know about how to make money on YouTube. But the High Ticket Accelerator is going to show you how to set up an affiliate account with him, but also how to set up your email and your domain, because you want to make sure that your emails go to someone's inbox and you don't want to use like a Gmail or Yahoo. But he shows you how to set up your domain with your email with your domain name. And inside of the system we use Kartra, which I actually like better than ClickFunnels and GetResponse, which is what I was using. But he shows you step by step exactly how to set everything up with a bridge page. Done for you traffic is in here as well. And then we do have a 0 to 10K case study that you can follow step by step exactly what his brother is doing, and he hasn't made any money online, so it's a case study with him. And you can also, if you upgrade, learn YouTube ads and be able to use Josh's videos with your bridge page and do paid YouTube ads. And 6-figure partner program, that's where you upgrade and are able to earn the $1,500 commissions. But I do have a review on this 6-figure partner program that I'll post in the description below. But this, like I said, is the most money that I've ever made using this training, and I look at it like you're going back to school to get another degree, and then you're learning skills that are going to pay you forever. And I think that YouTube is the best traffic source, and if you learn how to master that, then you can sell any of these products on any of these affiliate networks. Because a lot of people are like, how do I promote this? And of course, you can use solo ads. Those are great. And then I've used solo ads and just free Facebook marketing and free YouTube marketing. That's how I've made my money in affiliate marketing. So I want to share these 7 affiliate programs with you because I think that these are really great for beginners. And so if you do want to get started with the last 2, like I said, I will post links in the description below the video. You can get started with those. And if you guys have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below. If you need to contact me for any reason, I do have my contact information in the description below the video as well. With that being said, this is Karen Marrow signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.